Hello and welcome to this Paramount Plants tutorial on how to plant pleached trees. Pleaching is the process of growing plants onto two-dimensional frames. This provides a neat and uniform look and works excellently at providing garden privacy. Here's everything we'll be using to plant this Elaeagnus gilt edge. I'll talk more about each item as we use them. Firstly, measure the pot or root ball. Dig a hole which is just as deep and slightly wider than those measurements. You may wish to dig deeper and backfill if your garden has problems with drainage. Hack away at the base and sides of the hole to loosen the soil, which will allow roots to spread. Be sure to remove any large pieces of debris. Use supplements such as chicken manure to enrich the soil with nitrates and phosphates. Use Paramount Plants mycorrhizal fungi to help your plants root faster and stronger. This fungi has a symbiotic relationship with tree roots, and the root mass of the plant must come into direct contact with it. Sprinkle a moderate amount of these into the hole. Hammer your stakes into the ground next to the hole. Make sure they're close enough that you'll be able to wrap the ties around the trunk. It's important that you put the stakes in before you plant so you don't accidentally hammer the stakes through the roots. It's also much easier to do when the pleached frames aren't in your way. Now remove the tree from the pot. Tap and shake the pot to loosen it, and then carefully lift the tree out and into the hole, being careful not to hit your head on the pleached frame. Attach the stakes to the trunk like so. Form a loop with both sides going through the middle piece and then fasten the end. Repeat this process for the other side. This also helps to make sure the tree is straight when planting. Fill in your hole with a good quality soil mix. This is usually made from roughly 50% soil from your garden and 50% fresh compost such as Westland peat-free, which we recommend. Walk around the tree pressing down on the soil with your feet to remove air pockets. This is a crucial step. Cover the area around the tree in mulch. We recommend this composted bark. This will protect the soil from drying out, naturally suppress weeds, and over time will add nutrients to the soil below. Soil needs to be covered in order to maintain a healthy microbiome. Take a sachet of POW hummus and mix a small amount with water. You don't need much. The water should be the colour of weak tea. This is full of humic acid, which is great food for soil microbes and the mycorrhizal fungi mentioned earlier, which will ensure a healthy soil for your trees. This watering can alone will not be enough for watering a large tree. Once you finish the planting, water thoroughly. See our watering guide for more information. Repeat this process for the rest of your trees. For quickest and densest screening, plant with the frames abutting and tie them together with soft rubber ties like so. If you are planting many pleached trees, you may want to consider this technique. Larger fence posts are driven into the ground at regular intervals and connected with timber. The pleached trees are then fastened to this timber using the same rubber ties. And that's all there is to know about planting pleached trees. To see our full range of pleached trees and all of the products mentioned in this video, visit paramountplants.co.uk. For any questions, email salesteam@paramountplants.co.uk.